Good afternoon, everyone. This is Cody with BasecampTrading.com. I just want to make a quick video to go over Walmart here on the weekly chart. So I'm currently looking at a potential bearish divergence. So we have momentum, which is lower, and we have equal price as of this week. We also have a bearish engulfing bar this week as well. So we are coming down to that pivot low support, which is at 118.02 on the weekly chart. Level right there. So if we get through this 118 support level, if we get below that, we first target would be at 114.88. That's a 23.6. The 38.2% retracement down at 102, and then the 50% retracement all the way down at around 91.95 area. So if we continue to sell off here, those would be your targets. But if you like this kind of content and you want to check out our trading room, we have a $7 trial for 1 month access. If you want to try that out, you can email support@basecamptrading.com. But thank you and have a nice day.